Guyana's precious hardwoods, nature's hidden treasures. Welcome to Global Explorer, where we uncover the world's most valuable natural resources and the stories behind them. Today we're traveling to Guyana, a lush green country on South America's northern edge, home to some of the rarest and most durable hardwoods on Earth. From ancient indigenous techniques to modern-day exports, Guyana's forests hold secrets the world is just beginning to value. Let's explore why these woods are so special, where they come from, what they're used for, and how they're being sustainably protected. Greenheart, the marine giant. Let's begin with the legend. Greenheart, often called the ironwood of the region. Heartwood can vary greatly in color and is often categorized and sold based on color types, such as black, brown, yellow, and white, though these color differences don't appear to affect its strength or physical characteristics. Typically, the heartwood is a light brown to olive green shade, occasionally featuring darker streaks. The yellowish sapwood blends gradually into the heartwood, with no distinct boundary between them. Incredibly strong and resistant to water, insects, and salt. Used for wharves, bridges, ships, and seawalls, even in London's docks. Originating in Guyana's Essequibo and Demerara forests, these hardwoods thrive in rich tropical ecosystems. Due to their exceptional density, Guyana's hardwoods require special saws for processing. These premium hardwoods can cost up to $30 per foot on the international market. Major importers of Guyana's hardwoods include the UK, Netherlands, and the USA. Sustainability is ensured through strict monitoring by the Guyana Forestry Commission. Greenheart is a national treasure, a wood that can literally hold up the sea. Next on the list is Purpleheart, the royal timber. The stunning and rare Purpleheart, a wood that turns vibrant violet when exposed to air. Purpleheart wood, prized for its striking violet to purple hue and outstanding durability, is native to Guyana as well as other areas in Central and South America. It comes from trees in the Peltogyne genus. Although the wood naturally darkens with age, its original color can be restored through refinishing. Found in Guyana's rainforests, sought after for luxury furniture, instruments, and flooring. Originating in northern South America, this hardwood is primarily sourced from Guyana. It's highly valued for use in high-end interiors and decor. The price ranges from around $15 to $20 per foot. Major importing countries include France, China, the USA, and Canada. To protect the environment, harvesting is limited and exports are strictly controlled. Mora, the industrial backbone. Strong, heavy, and nearly unbreakable, Mora is the workhorse of Guyanese timber. Used for railways, heavy bridges, and construction. Very dense, resistant to termites and rot. This hardwood originates from the deep forests of Guyana and the Guyana Shield. It's priced between $8 and $15 per foot. Common buyers include the USA and Caribbean construction companies. Sustainability is supported by logging primarily within rotation zones. Mora may not be glamorous, but it's dependable, like the steel of the forest. Kabukali, the builder's choice. The Kabukali tree is well regarded for its hard and resilient wood. Strong and durable, it's a popular choice for heavy-duty construction. Its timber is also used in fine furniture, decorative veneers, paneling, foundations, and structural framing. Thanks to its rapid growth and adaptability to various soil types, this species holds great potential for sustainable forestry and timber production. Easy to work with, used for paneling, flooring, and home interiors in Guyana and beyond. This wood comes from the lowland tropical forests of Guyana and Brazil. It's affordable, priced between $5 and $10 per foot. The main markets are the Caribbean and North America. Sustainability is ensured through controlled felling and use in local housing programs. It's not flashy, but by adding a little color, it can look truly striking. Wamara, the tropical ebony, also known as Amazon ebony, Wamara is a rich, dark, reddish-brown color and luxurious. It is one of Guyana's most valuable hardwoods, treasured for its remarkable strength and durability. Used in fine furniture, floors, and artisan products, extremely dense and durable, this hardwood is native to Guyana's lush tropical rainforests. This wood is naturally resistant to decay, insects, and the humid climate, making it an excellent choice for construction, heavy-duty flooring, bridges, and outdoor use. With prices ranging from $12 to $25 per foot. Key buyers include the USA, France, and Italy. To maintain biodiversity, export volumes are kept low. A wood for those who appreciate elegance in the details. Bullet wood, strength under pressure. Another gem from Guyana's forest is bullet wood, incredibly tough and weather-resistant. Bullet wood, locally known as walt in Guyana, is a dense, durable tropical hardwood admired for its incredible strength and fine, smooth texture. With its deep, reddish-brown heartwood and a tight, even grain, bullet wood is not only beautiful but built to last. Perfect for marine work and tool handles, hard enough to rival Brazilian IPE. This durable hardwood is found in Guyana, Trinidad, and Central America. It's commonly used for pilings, shipbuilding, and heavy industrial work. Prices range from $10 to $18 per foot. Major importers include the U.S. marine and heavy industries. Tough, long-lasting, and used where strength matters most. Shibadan, the local hero. Sometimes it's the quiet ones that do the heavy lifting, and that's Shibadan. Locally known as bois macaque, Shibadan wood is harvested from the Aspidosperma album tree. With its rose-red to golden-brown heartwood and fine, straight grain, it's not flashy, but with a touch of polish, it becomes something truly beautiful. Affordable, used in local framing, roofs, and flooring. Originating from central Guyana, this wood is priced between $4 and $8 per foot. It's mainly used in Caribbean and domestic construction projects. Sustainability efforts promote its use for non-export building purposes, an everyday essential that supports Guyana's housing growth. Crabwood, the healing tree. Crabwood does more than build. It heals. Source of andiroba oil used in natural skincare and mosquito repellents. Its wood is used for canoes, furniture, and windows. This species grows in coastal and riverine forests and serves a dual purpose, providing both timber and natural medicine. Key importers include Brazil and the USA, especially for its oil. Its sustainability is supported by promoting a multi-use forest economy. It's a symbol of how traditional knowledge meets modern demand. Guyana is a leader in sustainable forestry. Less than 1% of forested land is logged annually. All timber must be certified and traced. Selective logging ensures forest regeneration. Partnered with Norway and REDD+ to preserve rainforest carbon sinks. Instead of mass deforestation, Guyana promotes value-added exports like furniture and building materials to boost its economy without harming the environment. In 2025, Guyana is showing the world that forests can provide without being destroyed. From Greenheart docks to Purpleheart floors, Guyana's forests provide some of the world's finest and most unique hardwoods. These trees tell stories of resilience, science, and sustainable growth, not just for Guyana, but for the world. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to Global Explorer for more deep dives into the planet's natural wonders. Thank you for watching.